Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, I wanted to have a quick chat essentially about solar energy because renewable energy over the last year has become a massive thing, and carbon, all the oil and that sort of thing is really dying out supposedly. And Elon Musk has said things like if the world doesn't switch to a renewable energy system by 20, 30 years, there's going to be parts of the world like that are going to melt and release so much bad stuff into the environment that it's going to be horrible for us. So essentially, it feels like now's the time when renewable energy is really at the forefront of things, which has been represented by massive increases in things like solar stocks, wind stocks, renewable energy stocks like Tesla, especially in the US. However, I was trying to tap into this market, but I realized I missed the boat, especially with US companies. But then I started looking into solar energy because wind energy is a big thing in the UK because Ireland, lots of wind. But solar energy, in my opinion, in the UK is kind of an untapped and unspoken about sector. So I started looking into it and I started finding out stuff like, the solar capacity in the UK is increasing from 2014 to 2019 by over double. And who knows now with the push on renewable energy, how much further it's gone up. And there's lots of research that says the UK is very, very good to install solar panels and to collect solar energy, which makes me believe there's a lot of growth for solar energy in the UK. We have a lot of wind farms, but obviously you can't have a wind farm in your back garden, but you could have solar panels on your roof, you could have solar panels on, in your car, etc., etc. And solar panel, if there's global warming, things are getting hotter and sunnier, solar might be again a lovely way to move forward. Now, I understand you need a large area to truly obtain solar energy to make it sustainable, but that obviously will hopefully change in the future. Elon Musk has obviously said, as I was saying, been quoted saying the world needs changing to renewable energies. But once discovering this and renewable energy bars and all stuff like that, I wanted to get into some solar energy stocks. I decided the US ones were pretty overvalued, and I found this fund that I decided to go onto in Trading 212. If you don't know about Trading 212 or free trade, it'll be linked down in the description below, where you can get a free share worth between £3 and £200 on free share and £0 and £100 on Trading 212. So definitely sign up if you would like to start looking at investing, use their practice accounts, whatever, and just obtain the free share. So you can see here, best areas in the UK, South England is quite good for solar panels. But essentially this isn't the point. My point is that there's this fund called the Blue Solar Income Fund, which targets solar energy mainly and a lot of other renewable assets, mainly solar energy. And it creates a fund full up of low carbon assets in the UK, and it pays a strong dividend yield of about 5% every, I believe, quarter. It might be 5% in total for the year, but I know it pays out quarterly dividend, and the dividend yield on Train 212 says 5%. They currently have a market cap of 500 million. They currently have a share price of £1.33. I got in literally at this price. They don't really move much. Their beta is quite low. Their beta represents how much they change. They don't sway a lot at all. 10% annualized return is pretty good. 8p target dividend per share, I believe. That's what it means. And it's got over 100 UK assets. So, it's a fund that is potentially in an undiscovered area, tapped into an undiscovered market, UK solar energy and renewable energy. It's definitely an industry of our future, as it's vital to the world. And yeah, let's take a look at the max chart. We can see that since 2013, it's been trading at £102. Then we come all the way up to now. Obviously, I was saying the beta is very low. It doesn't really move a lot. The dividend yield there is, I believe that to be wrong, unless it means out of what, 5.9% is what Trading 212 says, but not 0.059%, unless Google shows it as that's out of 1. Anyway, we can see that the growth hasn't been exponential between 2013 and now. It's literally been about 33%, which I find a very attractive prospect. I think that another thing that I like about this company is that, they've got a lowish market cap at £500 million. They've got revenues and assets close to their market cap. And like I say, they're really, really not skyrocketing yet. And for me, that is a very, very good thing. I'm in it as a long-term hold, collect the dividend yield as we go along. They pay out such a good dividend, which is partially why I believe their share price doesn't increase, because when you pay out dividends, the value does fall in a similar percentage in a similar way. Their PE ratio is 17, their price to earnings ratio, which is not bad. The lower the PE ratio, the better. Where can we find some numbers for these guys to have a look at? Okay, for some reason there's no revenue performance on there at all, which is a bit of an annoying one, but we can move with that. It's all right. And I'm slightly impressed with this fund personally. I'm no financial advisor. Anything I've done you should not do. You should always do your own research and look into stuff yourself. But the Bluefield Solar Income Fund, I think, is in an area where it's not volatile, as shown by the last 5 years. During Corona only went down 30%, which is not too bad at all, really. It's since climbed back up to pre-Corona levels, but not shot past them like a lot of other stocks. It's in an industry that is really going to be the future of our world, and it is a very passive income fund because it pays out strong dividends every quarter, and I like it. So that is my review of the Bluefield Solar Income Fund. Essentially, I'm a fan. Let me know what you guys think down below. Is there any other solar assets you think I should have a look at? Wind assets in the UK or any undervalued ones? I'm really trying to steer clear of the ones that have shot up recently, purely because I'm not sure if their inherent market value is true. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. I'll catch you again very soon, and thank you for watching.